In Scrintal, a card can be a post-it, an index card, or a full-page document, and all at the same time. But what does go inside of a card? And does the content need to be trapped inside there? In this video, I will show you the different things you can add inside of a card and how you can set your content free depending what you are trying to do. So let's check it out. This video is part of a Scrintal for Beginners series sponsored by Scrintal. So if you want to have access to all the videos in the series, make sure to check the link in the description below this video. There are 4 elements that you can add in the content of a card, and they are plain text, files, embeds, and associations to other Scrintal elements. Text. When adding text, you can add both plain text by just typing it away, or add mathematical equations by adding k-text code between 2 dollar signs. And if plain text is not enough, you can select the text you want to format it and use the hovering menu or some limited use of markdown language, like the hash for headers or the asterisk for bold and italic. You can create bulleted order lists, code with syntax highlighting, different head size, quotes and highlights, as well as just the basic formatting like bold, italic, or underline. Just check the hovering menu, the plus icon menu, and the slash command menu. Scrintal elements. You can create an association between your current card and any of the other Scrintal elements. And that's what makes the main difference between Scrintal and other types of note-taking tools. In a classical note-taking tool, to create a link between 2 cards, you will need to leave the current card, find the card that you want a link for, grab the link, go back to the previous card, and then paste the link there. All the work for just one link. But in Scrintal, as a linked-based tool, things are different. You can create as many links as you want without leaving your current card. That means you can create links to a board, to an existing card, to a new card, or to an external web page. But these are not the unique Scrintal elements that you can associate your card with. You can also have task lists and tags directly in the content of your card. Files. Cards are a form of containers, so you can upload files and add inside of your card, and they will appear there mostly as an attachment. But if you upload a specific type of files, then you'll be able to open them inside of Scrintal, which is the case for PNG and JPG images, PDF files, and MP4 video files. So if you want to take notes of a video, for example, then you can play the video inside of the card or detach it so that it can be a floating and resizable element in your screen. Embeds. Scrintal allows you to interact with Vimeo and YouTube videos as well as posts from the X website directly within Scrintal. Just copy the video to the link or post, paste inside of your card, and Scrintal will automatically create an embed for you. So in this way, you can interact with the content in exactly the same way you would in the original website. So these are the 4 types of content that you can add inside of a Scrintal card: text, files, embeds, and associations with other Scrintal elements. And if cards already got you excited, wait to see how to use boards and that infinite canvas in the next video. I see you there.